Congratulations, Kaʻōhao. Kylie here, back at it again with a new segment for Season 2, Dad Brad Joke of the Week, where I interview the young Avengers on campus and find out what the last joke they heard from our infamous news director was.
What do you call somebody who doesn't share their crawfish on Mardi Gras?
Shellfish.
Why did the river cross the road? To flood New Orleans.
What does a Frenchman say to a crawfish at a boil?
Off with their heads. Moving to Louisiana after living in California can be quite difficult. New Orleans is fine, but it's no LA.
What do you call a Mardi Gras party with no food? A Fat Tuesday diet.
And then wait.
Why do Catholics run the marathon the day after Mardi Gras?
Because that's when they fast.
What do French students in New Orleans have in common? They're all below sea level.
What's your name?
Ada,
What grade are you in?
I'm in 4th grade.
What's the last joke Mr. Brad told you?
Why did the journalist go to art school?
Why?
To learn how to draw a conclusion.
What's your name?
Scarlet.
What grade are you in?
5th.
What's the last joke you heard from Mr. Brad?
What blood type are news editors?
I don't know. What's your name?
Kennedy.
What grade are you in?
4th.
What's the last joke you heard from Mr. Brad?
He said that the news team has hired a new Italian capital correspondent. They were the Times New Roman.
5, 4, 3, 2.
What's your name?
Amaya,
What grade are you in?
5th grade.
What's the last joke you heard from Mr. Brad?
Did you ever hear a newspaper? Dang it, I did it wrong.
Do it again. Did you hear about the newspaper that only printed good news?
Did you hear about the newspaper that only printed good news?
No.
It had no issues.
What's your name?
Rhea,
What grade are you in?
4th.
What's the last joke you heard from Mr. Brad?
Why did the news team reporter go to the ice cream parlor?
Why?
To get a scoop.
Oh, yes. Oh, what's your name?
Irie,
What grade are you in?
5th grade.
What's the last joke Mr. Brad told you?
Why did the journalist bring a mirror to the interview?
Why?
To get the inside scoop.
What's your name?
Emmy,
What grade are you in?
4th grade.
What's the last joke you heard from Mr. Brad?
What do you get when you cross a sports reporter and a vegetable?
What?
A commentator. Tator.
What's your name?
My name's Anthony, and
What grade are you in?
4th grade.
What's the last joke you heard from Mr. Brad?
Why do zombies read the news?
Why?
Because for the headlines.
That's so good.
Did you hear about the marriage between the girl in Dublin and the boy from New Orleans? It was quite the occasion.
Toronto Raptors say, we're the only sports team named after a dinosaur. New Orleans Pelicans say, well, technically.
This is Kylie Underwood signing off. And remember, when does a dad joke become a dad Brad joke? When it's fully a grown.
I'm going to allow that.